what's going on YouTube? So for some of you, this car may look a little bit familiar because we did a video where we did the WRX versus my buddy's STI. It's basically what, stage 2, stage 3? I mean, he has a full exhaust. So basically he has like a full exhaust, he has a downpipe, he has headers, he's dyno tuned, so it's gonna be a lot better than my little Cobb tune and everything like that. What else am I missing?
A pipe, external wastegate.
External wastegate, so it's loud as crap. And yeah, so for those of you who watched the previous video, we did a couple of runs. My car kept up a little bit at the beginning, but then it got smoked. Now I'm stage 2 as well, so I did install my J-pipe. We're gonna do a couple of runs again to see how the WRX keeps up now. I'm not expecting to beat him or anything like that, but just to see, you know, how much of a difference the J-pipe makes and how well the WRX will keep up. But yeah, this is my buddy's STI. What is this, 2014?
Yeah.
2014, he has the sedan. As you can see, it's extremely loud, and that external wastegate is gonna be really loud as well. And then this is my WRX, which you all know, blah, blah, blah. All right, so we're just gonna wait for his car to warm up a little bit, and then we're just gonna do 2 or 3 pulls. All right, so we're gonna do a second gear 20 pull first. Kept up a lot better this time. J-pipe definitely makes a pretty big difference. That was second gear 20 pull. We're about to go ahead and do a second gear 40 roll now, so let's go ahead and try that. So that car right there ruined it, but second gear, that was about 30 rolls, so that was a lot better. We're gonna try that one more time. Honestly, the WRX is really good on the low end, but top end, WRX is really just not very good. It just does not keep up that well. So we're gonna do one more pull here. We're gonna do another second gear 30 roll. No cars, so perfect right now. Alright you guys, so that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed those couple of pulls that we did against my buddy's STI. I can definitely say that the WRX did a lot better this time. The WRX definitely kept up a lot better. Again, this car is all about the low end. Top end, this car really is not that great, and that's where the STI really gets me. Once you're getting up to the higher speeds, like, you know, 60, 70, 80. But low end, the car kept up a lot better, and I can definitely feel the difference with the J-pipe. So I mean, there you go. J-pipe definitely gives you some gains, and it definitely makes a pretty big difference when you install it and you go stage 2 with the WRX. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.